from the literature review, I will give you this kind of perspective to analyze this article. The first one is the emergence of ecological studies as an interdisciplinary study between ecology and literature is based on the involvement of the literature to play a role in the solution to save the environment. And this is the very important thing because literature not only hold itself to solve the problem of literature, but also we can contribute to the social problems. And the second one is literature is an effective medium in evoking conscience without tending to just the environmental values are more easily internalized. I quote from the Professor Navita Devi from her article about the ecokritik. The literature can be a way to give the ecological awareness for the readers. And then the third one from Gary Sanders that the American cultural memory of the natural agreement between human and other creatures was very important in stopping the destruction of the earth wealth by fuel. And then in this literary review, Litori began analyzes the topic. And then the method that we use for analyzing the data, we use ecokritik works on the relationship between literature and physical environment in an effort to provide ecological awareness.
Actually, for about 58.7%, the teachers answer ready but needs a few improvement. And then ya kebanyakannya memang mereka menjawabnya in part of ready but needs a few improvement for the materials development. And then this is for materials development too, and ready but needs a few improvement for about over 50% actually. And then this one 47 ya sama aja ya, kebanyakannya memang hasilnya seperti itu yang kami dapatkan. And then this one this is still materials development. And then right, ini okay, and this is for the materials development too. And this is about lesson planning. Nah, I will explain more about the lesson planning because actually we work together for this research based on our expertise, and my expertise is lesson planning, Ibu Nani in materials development, and Ibu Nur Laila Kadariah in teaching skills ya. So I want to focus more on lesson planning, and then lesson planning consists of basic competencies. For example, the question in the questionnaire, I'm ready to write basic competencies that appropriate with the materials taught and genre of text, transactional text, interpersonal text, short functional text, and song lyrics. Those are the materials in senior high school and junior high school. And then this one, I'm ready to include the cognitive, affective, and psychomotor aspects. This is for Bloom taxonomy in lesson plan ya. And then this one, the finding authentic materials as a part of lesson planning, and authentic materials not just from the textbook, and actually the result is ready ya, but needs a few improvement too. And then this is instructional media in lesson planning, and the result is also ready but needs a few improvement. And this one is character education, literacy activities, higher order thinking skills or HOTS, and then 4C skills activities. And then I'm ready to use various sources for my teaching, and then appropriate assessment. Yeah, this is focusing on lesson planning, the result of the questionnaire. And then this one is focusing on teaching skills. There are at teaching skills, questioning skill, reinforcement skill, and then this one in variation skill, and then this is the finding of explanation.
And the second, for the medium use, WhatsApp is the the most applicable for student and counselor in Banjarmasin because it's simple to operate and friendly. The future is friendly and of course low cost for students and also for the counselors, for school counselor. And the fact that school and counselor work independently since no specific rules for BK in distance learning or pembelajaran jarak jauh, even BK service stop, just back up the distance learning. From the simple graphic, it describes how the services given to the student, the most great percentage on individual and learning problem. There's a little attention to social and career for student. And second, this is the student problem and the BK services. Actually, the graph, the first graph and the second actually have similarities. And
sorry to interrupt. You have 1 minute left, Ibu, for the presentation.
Oh yeah, thank you. Here the student problem in counseling. Many problem from their problem on learning and problem of conduct the e-learning, counseling and e-learning. Okay, this is the how the medium use and finding. The problem of counseling is the deficiency of communication and hard to change from offline to online delivery on counseling. Some innovation that school counselor have make information media, get video, and yes, you can look here in I